Good morning everybody, Tracy and her beautiful Pearl here, showing you what is in our advent kit. We are up to day 16 and Pearl is going to do the honours of opening it up so we can see what is inside day number 16. Oh, you got it? What does it feel like? Kind of hard, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It feels like day 10.
Oh, yeah, it does a little bit. Let me flip that bit for you.
It is day 10. It's the same as day 10.
Let's have a look. Is it?
Is
Whoa!
not.
It's not the same as day 10.
Can I have one of these?
Let's show everybody what it is, what Pearl wants. It's some beautiful gold glittery cardstock, which is perfect for cutting on your dies and things. But I think Pearl would like one of those. Would you like one?
Yes.
Okay. So
Which
you've
one?
got yourself a collection of all the fun shiny things.
Which one can I have?
Which one do you want?
This one.
I'll have this one then. See you tomorrow.
Bye.